original call buttons plus this call button. They both open. These still work? Yeah, all these buttons work. Interesting. Low down lantern. It smells weird in here. People definitely just saw me. Get a cat view. Pretty basic. This one has the indicator above. Still weird Lexans with a unicycle button rod. 2,500 pound capacity. Let's this one up. Get the other one. This one's got a slightly brighter cab. Oh my gosh, these got really nice motors. This 2,500 pounds. Same cab as the other one. These are really strange. Oh, these got classic leveling. Watch that lamp